Welcome to Southern Accent Foods. Today I'll show you how to make a stellar classic chicken salad. Roasted chicken, tangy mayonnaise, and a little crunch from celery and onions. This chicken salad is great on sandwiches, croissants, or just a tasty afternoon snack. Start with some good roasted chicken. You can roast a chicken on your own. I have a video about that, but this is a perfect use for store-bought rotisserie chickens. I'm using 2 here because they're always so damn tiny. You could roast some chicken breasts, that would be fine, but please don't try to boil or simmer chicken for this recipe. If I catch you trying to boil chicken, I'm going to put you in timeout. Next, you're going to need some diced celery and onions. You don't need much, just a little for crunch. Celery is fairly easy because it was created in straight lines. Here's how to address an onion, or in this case a shallot. It's like an onion, you see them a lot in French cooking. If you can't find one, just use a small yellow onion. Address the onion or shallot by saying, "Good afternoon, Mr. Shallot." Then grab a sharp knife and cut off his nose. While he's still reeling, cut him in half pole to pole. Remove the outer layers. Now do the Tyler Florence technique. Cut him into planks. Cut the planks into sticks. And then cut downward into a very small dice. At this point, this basically becomes a dump and stir. Combine the chicken, celery and onions, about 1/4 cup of good mayonnaise, a little bit of salt, pepper, and optional cayenne for Chef John. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, and as much hot sauce as you like. Stir everything together. I don't have a microphone on this, but if you're squeamish, you're going to love the sound this makes. Now's a good time to talk about some things that don't belong in chicken salad, namely grapes and nuts. They're fine on their own, but in chicken salad, they are an abomination unto noggin, and you will have 1,000 years of bad luck for every grape or nut that you put in your chicken salad. Cover everything up and refrigerate for at least a few hours or up to overnight. And that's it. Garnish this how you like. I think it needs something green and a little paprika or more cayenne. Cayenne for me, I like spicy stuff. Put this on some mini croissants for an Easter or springtime brunch buffet, or just have a snack anytime. Thanks for watching. Click that like button and watch another one of my videos here.